Good morning, I'm Dave Ladd. I'm with Armorlite. We're exhibiting here at the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion this week. One of the feature vehicles that we have in our booth is from our partner, America's Most Wanted. AMW does the big Hemi swaps on Wranglers and Gladiators, and this particular one's called the 707. That's 707 horsepower, which generates a lot of heat. One of the reasons we partnered with AMW a few years ago is to help them solve the heat equation, because so much of that heat from that big powertrain comes up through the sheet metal inside, which is standard even on the V6s, but on an 8 there's that much more heat generation. Up to 240 degrees of heat hits that sheet metal floor. Our Armorlite product lies on top of that floor and knocks about 140 degrees of heat right out of the equation. So your foot's resting on 95 to 100 degrees, but beneath it is about 240 degrees. That's enough to melt sandals and the soles of rubber shoes. So that's one of the reasons we're partnered up with the AMW crowd. These guys built some incredibly awesome vehicles, and we're happy to be part of that package that they sell back to you and the public. People can find us at goarmorlite.com. And likewise, if you're interested in big beasts like this one here behind me, then you would have to go to the amw.com for more information about their products.